So here we have a Cobb air intake. We put the cone filter into a hydrophobic sock so that if water splash on it, that's a water guard that prevents the cone from being wet. And here the standard box has 5 screws originally, but it's too time consuming to remove at service to be able to access the box. So we just did a small hinge there with a pop rivet attached to the chassis, and we drilled a hole to just put a reef nut here. This way we can just close the box, put the bolt, and the box is closed and ready. And when we have to change the filter at service, we just remove that one bolt, open, and swap the filter. So that's a quick mod that works very well and help us reduce the time to service the air filter.